welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, we'll be finding cube of a number which is less than 1 using mathematical table. Let's say find the cube of a number A. But A is less than 1. That means it is a decimal. So you write it in standard form where A times 10 raised to minus. So instead of raised to n, it will be raised to minus n, where n is a number. So make sure A is greater or equal to 1 but less than 10. So let's look at some practical example. Let's say find the cube of a number 0.5. So this one is in standard form. We'll write it as 5 times 10 raised to 1 negative 1. So you find the cube of that one. So this one is the same as saying 5 cube times 10 raised to 1 negative 3. When you multiply negative 1 times 3, you get negative 3. So this one is the same as saying 5 cube times, to remove the negative, it will be, the 10 will go down. So 10 raised to 3. So this one is the same as saying 5 raised to 1. 5 cube times 1 over 10 cube. You find that when 10 goes in the denominator, the negative sign disappears. So the cube of 5 using our mathematical table, it will be 1.125. So times 1 over 3, 10 cube is 1000. So this one will move the decimal point forward 3 steps. So it will get your answer with 0.125. So just 1, 2, 3. So our decimal point is there. So 0.5 is the cube of 0.5 is 0.125. Let us look at another example. Let's say you have to find the cube of 0.095. So this one is the same as saying 9 point. So this one is the same as saying in standard form would be 9.5 times 10 raised to 1 negative 2. So you find the cube of all of this. So this one is the same as saying 9.5 cube times 10 negative raised to negative 6. Just multiplying the powers. So this one is the same as saying 9.5 cube times 10 over 1 over 10 raised to 6. So using our mathematical table, go to column X and go up to 9.5. You find it is 857.4. So times 10. This one is just times 1 over 1. So you will go 6 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 6. So the decimal point will move 6 steps forward. So it will 1, 2, 3. So 0.23 and then 8. So that one is our cube of 0.0955. Now let us look at another example. Let's say find the cube of 0.9152. So this one is in standard form will be 9.152 times 10 raised to negative 1. So you find the cube of all of this. So this one is the same as saying 9.152 cube times 10 raised to 1 negative 9.50 cube times 1 over, so just 1000. We just write 1000. So 9.1, and then you move across up to it intersects with 5, so it will be 766.1, and then you move across, you'll add 5. So you'll add 5 at the very end. So this one is 0.6. And then now you multiply by 1 over. So you move 3. The decimal point will move 3 steps forward because you are multiplying with a fraction. So our answer will be 0.766. So that one is our answer. So that one is the cube of 0.15. Let us look at the last example. You can pause the video and try it. So find the cube of 0.04. So let us look at our last example. You can pause the video and try it. Find cube of 0.415. So in this one, its answer form is the same as 4.15, I mean, times 10 raised to negative 2. So to go back to this one, you just move 2 steps. The decimal point will move 2 steps backward. This is what this negative means here. So this one is the same as saying 4.15 cube times 10 raised to negative 6. So 4.15 cube times 1 over 10 raised to 6. So when you write it into a fraction like this, the negative sign disappears. So using your mathematical table, you go to 4.1, I mean, and then you move across up to where it intersects with 5. So it will be 71.47, if I'm not wrong. So times 1 over, this one is just 1 million. So the decimal point will move 6 steps forward. So 2 decimal point will be 2 zeros will move the decimal points out, and then you add the 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one is our answer. So that one was our lesson on finding the cubes of numbers which is less than 1 using mathematical tables.